Oh, hi there. Thank you for visiting my website. Rob Klein here. I'm a personal injury lawyer based in Portland, Oregon. I'm not going to waste your time here. So I'm going to ask you one question that may very well hold the key to your future, and that's this. You've been injured due to the fault of somebody else, and the insurance company calls you up and offers you a settlement, right? Well, whose interest do you think the insurance company has it in mind? Your interest or their interest? Well, what if they offered you half of what your case is worth? Would that be in your best interest? I don't think so. That's in the best interest of the corporate shareholders of that insurance company. It's certainly not in your best interest. My role as an attorney is to prevent you from being victimized a second time by the system. So what does that mean? I think it means two things. The first thing is not letting the insurance company take advantage of you during a time you're vulnerable and forcing you to take a cheap settlement. And secondly, what that means is zealously advocating for you on your case to get you everything that you're entitled to under the law. Now, that means putting the time into your case, that means putting the resources into your case, that means going out and meeting with your doctors, it means hiring the right people to build up your case, that means we may have to go get an engineer, we may have to go get another doctor to come testify. Let me tell you what that does not mean. That does not mean getting your case in the door, settling it on the cheap, and moving on to the next case. A lawyer that does that is no better than that insurance company. Representing someone who's been injured is more than just a job. It's a privilege. And along with that privilege, in my mind, comes a couple other things. I act as your guide. I walk in your shoes. I have to understand where you're coming from. I think one of the most important things is listening to you. Now, I can't sit here and tell you that I know how you're feeling. I can't say that. I may have worked on 100 cases that are like yours, but I've never worked on your case. Your case, it's unique. It's different from all those other cases. It's different from any other case out there. You have your own unique circumstances, your own unique harms, your own unique losses that you have suffered in your case. So what I will tell you is this. I will listen to you, and I will address your concerns, and I will answer your questions so I can help you navigate what may be one of the most difficult times in your life. So I'm going to tell you a few things that some lawyers may not tell you, and I'm going to tell you a whole lot of things that no insurance company ever wants you to hear. Now, I've selected a few critical topics that I think will help you in the videos that follow. And the reason I have put together these video clips and the information on this website is you've already been victimized one time. I don't want to see you get victimized a second time. But I can't help you unless you call me. And time is not on your side. Time is on the side, unfortunately, of the insurance company. So make sure to watch those video clips. They have some information that is important. I think they'll answer some of your questions. You'll probably have a lot more questions. And then feel free to give me a call or email me so we can get started on your case right now.